Look for the bare necessities, the simple bare necessities. Forget about your worries and your strife.
Hello. You know, sometimes you see grandmothers with yarn knitting an ugly Christmas sweater. I have my yarn, I have the thread, and I have a balloon. The balloon, which I have rubbed into Vaseline, to use a sexy word. Then they look like this. They're very small balloons because I want to turn my old IKEA lights, which are over there. And this is how I spent my Saturday evenings after drinking a whole Friday evening very heavily somewhere in Belgium. I thank you guys for watching. This is my first video that I make. I'm curious how you like it. Bye. My old IKEA lights into some fancy shit. Cool, usually very expensive lights. I made this project before when I was still living in Holland, and I used it for a big light to hang it on the ceiling. That was such an awesome result. Normally you pay like 80 euros to have those kind of design lamps in your house. But for this I just paid the price of my Vaseline, which is what, 2 euro. The balloons, 70 cents. Yarn for free because my mom has still yarn from her 70s knitting. And that's it. So I'm making now, I hope they will end up nice because as you can see this yarn is like very fluffy. It comes from an alpaca or something. And I also, with yarn, as I said, grandmothers, it was the whole reason why I'm telling you this. Look at my fingers. I have grandmother's fingers like you've been laying in the bathtub for 8 hours. And I've just been doing this for, how long does Fast and Loud last? Like, I've only done this like for half an hour. And I have 40 lights, which I want to do. And I now have 10% done, almost. So it's quite a nice project to work on. For quite some time, I was hoping to finish everything in one evening. But that ain't gonna happen, obviously. But anyway, what is gonna happen is, as you can see, I finished already some of these. I'm gonna dry them over the next couple of days. And then what's gonna happen is I'm gonna take a very sharp needle and I do a pinprick, and hopefully the balloon will explode without imploding the yarn. And then I have my perfectly round lights, and then I can install them and have just super awesome freaking cool ass lights. In the meanwhile, I'm playing with yarn and something that looks a lot like Seaman. And I already have it all. I invented this little table, which I'm obviously not really using because I still have everything on my pants, all the glue. The glue I'm using is, by the way, just simple glue to put paper on your walls. Just nothing fancy. Just normal glue. I use an old butter cup thingy for it to mix everything nicely together. And as you can see, I tried to really make it dense enough, so yeah, it gives a nice effect once you turn the lights on. Hello, here we are again. I let them dry for about 2 days, I think. So here comes the big moment. I can't believe what just happened. This is why the Vaseline is so important. Just put a hell of a lot of Vaseline on it, so the balloon lets loose easily. There we go. There we go. And then we have a perfectly round ball, as you can see. And the idea is that the lights will go in here. And once you put the lights on, it gives a nice spectrum over the room. I thank you very much for watching, and hopefully in the next video I can show you the results. Bye bye! Guys and girls, here we are, ready for the revelation. I hope you will like it. This is what I made from it. It's completely as I imagined it to be. I hope you guys like it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to comment. Thanks for watching. Bye. Exactly as I imagined it. Dear cameraman, don't film the rest of the shit in this house. Just this little project.
Like me.
Don't hesitate to contact me, and I hope you will enjoy more of my projects in the future. Let's do that again. Alrighty.